Let's start with the basics. China is actually stopping subsidies on export. Now, earlier, if a Chinese company exported solar panels or battery chemicals, etc., the Chinese government returned part of the tax to the exporter. This made Chinese products very cheap. But now China says that they'll stop or reduce this tax refund. So Chinese exports, if you see, will become more expensive. Now scope is much wider, than solar and batteries. I would say this covers 250 plus products across chemicals, agrochemicals, batteries, electronics, and materials, which includes your industry and specialty chemicals as well. Just talking about the key products affected, let's look up that in the solar value chain. If you see, there are some modules, there are upstream materials, there are cells. For batteries, you have lithium ion flow batteries and components. For agrochemicals, you have insecticides, herbicides, and organophosphates. And for chemicals and advanced materials, if I were to talk about, you have silicon wafers, you have display wafers. So all of these products basically will be affected. Now, why this is important? Because China, if you see, is dominant when it comes to solar batteries, your chemicals, your agrochemicals, and also supply raw materials to the whole world. Now, when China removes this subsidies, if you see, the Chinese exports become less attractive. Now, why China is doing this? Of course, to reduce the blanket export incentives, to tighten control over strategic and reduced supply chain. Now, overall, what this means for India, because that's where we are interested. Now, this is negative for companies heavily dependent on Chinese raw material, and positive for backward integrated Indian manufacturers. That's where your mainly specialty chemicals companies come. Now, positive impact, let's talk about the beneficiaries. Who are the beneficiaries when it comes to India? You have UPL, you have Jubilant Ingrevia, you have PI Industries, Sumitomo Chemical. All these companies will be positively impacted considering the backward integration they have. Even cells and modules company will also be positively impacted. You have Waaree Energies, you have Vikram Solar, MV. And talking about the negative companies, the companies which are at the risk, you have the best developers, that is battery energy storage system. Then when I say best developers, all the solar module companies come into picture, because these companies are going into BESS. Even the EPC companies will also be into a negative segment.